Okay, let's go to the file menu, open, and we were using text files before, so we need to click on the file of type drop list and select all Microsoft Excel files, and then we want to select our Excel Expert working file. Where's it gone? There's a lot of them in there now. There it is, and click the open, and let's click on the bonus tab, and let's select A4 to D11, which we can do by clicking on one and dragging across the lot, or click on the first one and hold the shift key down and click on the diagonally opposite corner. And now let's go to the insert menu, chart, and we'll accept all the defaults and just click on finish. And now let's start PowerPoint up. Let's go click on the PowerPoint button, and we want to add a slide, the type called title, chart and text, which is under other layouts. Let's add that one there, and now let's click on the Excel button on the taskbar, and with our chart selected, let's go to the edit menu and copy, and then bring up PowerPoint and right click on our chart area, and let's select paste, and we can resize our chart as necessary, and we can drag it around, and when we're happy with that, let's double click on the chart and then right click on the chart background area and select chart type. Well, let's click on a different area if it doesn't work the first time. Chart type, and we want to select 3D column chart, that's the one we want, and let's click OK. And now right click on the chart area and we'll select chart options, and let's go to the titles tab and let's type in 2000 to 2002 sales as the chart title and click the OK button. And then let's click outside of that, the chart, to see the effect, and then we can close PowerPoint and we don't need to save that. So let's see how we can interface with Word. Let's fire up Word, and then let's go back to Excel, and our chart's still selected. Let's go to the edit menu, copy, and bring back Word and go to the edit menu and paste, and let's select paste link and click OK, and then we can bring up Excel and close on that, and close Excel, and if we double clicked on the chart in Word, we'd actually bring up Excel. But I missed that point in the video, so let's go to the format menu, and let's select object and go to the size tab, and under height we can adjust the scale there. I'm going to set it to 130 and click OK, and then we can close. So have fun.